Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to Javed Publishers. We are discussing Reading General Knowledge Grade 3, Chapter number 11, and the topic is Changing World. As we have discussed the whole chapter, let's move towards the exercise of the chapter. Chapter number 11, Changing World, exercise page number 63. How can you differentiate past and present in with respect to living style? In the past, man lived in jungle and caves. He used to eat leaves, fruits and raw meat as a food. If we talk about the present, then we have more facilities, more transportation facilities, and the houses are well equipped and furnished. How today's farmers are getting more yield than that of past? In the past, farmer had to work manually or by using animal powered equipment. It take much time and effort but did not get production in return. So in the modern age, they use harvesters, tractors, threshing machines, so that less effort and less time is used to make production more than the past. How the latest means of communication has benefited the man. The television has connected us to the world. We can hear and watch news, interviews, speeches of different people from other countries. By using computers, we are able to connect with people from different countries simply by using a click. Space rockets, satellites and space shuttles have taken man to the moon. Write any two differences between old and modern schools. The early school consisted of one room or open yard and only single teacher was supposed to teach many subjects. Nowadays, schools are well equipped with computers, internet and science laboratories. They have many rooms. Name some modern means of transportation. Car, buses, aeroplanes. Question number 2, what are the modern forms of the following activities? Write the names and paste the pictures too. First वाले पे हम लिखेंगे car, buses, aeroplanes. Second पे हम लिखेंगे now we are using tractors, threshing machines. फिर इधर लिखेंगे email, mobile phones और fourth one पे लिखेंगे हम harvesters. Project work. Collect different pictures related to style, school, means of communication and means of transportation in today and past time from internet, newspapers और magazines. आप collect करेंगे pictures. पहले lifestyle कैसा था, schools कैसे थे, means of communication कौन कौन से थे और फिर आप differentiate कर सकेंगे present और past time में. Visit a museum or some historical place, observe the changes occur with the passage of time, write the findings in your notebook. So this is all about chapter number 11, Changing World. Keep watching, अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा और जुड़े रहिएगा हमारी बोलती किताबों के साथ.